like 6 days later, like 5 or 6 days later, to the second part of this video. But this is the MP concept reverse light from AmericanMuscle.com. I had already opened the box, but this is my like first time really taking it out of the box. You see the plastic is still on it, but let me show y'all. So like this is what it looks like with the plastic off of it. There's plenty of videos on YouTube really about this. Like I ain't really gonna make an in-depth install video on it. I'm just gonna really just showcase it on the car. Yeah. But yeah, it come with some hardware like the things that cut the wires with and some black tape. And this it costs I think it costs $100 or a little less than $100, but I'll link it in the description below. But yeah. This bird is going to town. But yeah, in this video I had my dad helping me with these wires. I can't really see him, but
that was a smashed finger.
Oh,
you didn't know. Taking place.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna have my dad help me out with this video because I'm not that good with wires, so I'm gonna see how it go with this one. And yeah, let me get this camera set up on this tripod, bro.
We're about to take the reverse light down off a 2015 Mustang. Okay, you told me that.
Talk like you talk. Don't just talk like you boy. We having a regular conversation. Just talk your height.
Well, this is a tight fit for me because of how I'm laying down here. I think it's not going to be that bad. I think I might have to take the diffuser down a little bit to get to what I need, and I don't think it'll be that bad. Yeah, I don't think it'll be that bad. We should be maybe 30 minutes at the most, if 30. We're taking it down if with 30, at the most.
But yeah, guys. In this video, I had to. I got to take off my diffuser, and I really don't. I may have to take off my diffuser, but I don't really want to take it off because I already had a hard time getting that diffuser on because I drilled so many like holes into my bumper and all of that. But that's neither here nor there. But yeah, I got a screwdriver. A long screwdriver?
Give me what you got first.
Too big because of the tight spot that it's in, so you know, just going back and buying this other little tube to come with a screwdriver. Ended up going and buying this cobalt screwdriver set, and it works way better, perfectly. So here's the old light.
Yeah, this better.
Here's the old reverse light. Or whatever. And here's the new MP concept reverse light with the wires and everything. And it's two different options. This is like the $100 option. I think the other one's like $150. Don't really know the difference between the two. I think one is clear and this one is red. So I think that's the difference. But yeah, so now we finna figure out how to run these wires from the reverse light. I don't think you can see that over there, but we're finna figure out how to run in them lights in the trunk or whatever. I'm gonna turn it out, see everything is, so we put everything together. Yes,
This is exactly how it's supposed to do, like red light. The nigga know what he doing.
yeah. Oh, that's so tight. I appreciate that for real.
Oh, yeah.